Hello, and thank you so much for tuning in today to the iNaturalBody channel, where we are doing another product demonstration for you. And today's product demonstration is our rose bath bomb. Helps to not only soften the water but create an environment in our bath where we can relax. Well, incorporating fresh rose petals, especially around springtime like right now, not only will increase those therapeutic benefits, but it gives your client something to look forward to because they're worth it and they're enough. When I think about rose petals, I think about the natural oils and sugars that are automatically found in roses, which help to maintain the moisture in our own skin. You get the added benefit, so the bath bomb becomes a carrier for these types of benefits. So think about it. You're going to help your clients to relax their body, reduce stress, and increase the moisture content in their skin, especially when you don't really want to walk around in the summertime with additional oil, so to speak, on your body, like having to get out the tub and moisture up. Rose petal bath bombs release their natural oils when steeped in a warm bath. I hope this video is beneficial to you and you enjoyed some light jazz while watching our product demonstration. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. This is Sonia saying thank you so much, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks and have a good day. Bye.